Elliot, what's Mummy got? What's this? What is it? It's for you. Oh my goodness. Do you want to open it? So Fisher Price have very kindly sent you a special present to unbox. This is a Fisher Price Dance and Groove rocket. Do you want to get him out? Should we get him out of the box and we can play? Wait, I think he's going to do a dance. Ready? What?
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so first of all, we've got to get him out of the box. Thank goodness it's easy to do. You just twist these little things and he's going to come right out. No screwdrivers. Yes. Right, go, nearly there. Oh, sorry, Rocket. Whoa. There he is.
Level 1. Let's have some fun.
Wow.
All the colours. They make me smile.
So as I said, this video is very kindly sponsored by Fisher Price. I've loved Fisher Price toys and products ever since I had my first little boy. In fact, one of his very first toys was a Fisher Price car, which they both still use and love to this day. So it's a brand that I really trust and I really love the quality of their products. So I'm so excited for him to get to try this out. As I said, he doesn't have many toys that are just his own because being the second child, he's always playing with his brother's sort of hand-me-downs. But this toy is for 6 to 36 months. So it's specifically for his age range. He's 14 months old now and he just loves anything that moves and flashes, and this also has lots of textures on it, which is great for his sort of age group as well. It also has over 100 songs, sounds, tunes and phrases as well, so there's so much for them to do. And one of the things I also love about Fisher Price toys is that they always have these 1, 2, 3 smart stages buttons on them. They're really recognisable on Fisher Price toys, and it basically means that once your child has grown a little bit and they've mastered one level, you can put it up and the toy grows with them, so it's something that's going to really last them as well and not just be like a 5-second wonder. They can really use it for months and sometimes even years to come. Ah, good job.
So many letters.
R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y and Z. So there's so many things you can do with Rocket. You can press his hand back and he records your voice.
Let's talk.
Hello, my name's Mummy.
Hello, my name's Mummy.
And he records it in an even sillier voice than mine. And you can also press down his cute little ghost friend and he plays you songs. The 3 levels are explore, encourage and pretend. Level 1 is all about them listening to music and having fun, and it starts to introduce them to their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s without them even realising. Then explore moves on a little bit. It actually starts to teach them little French phrases and words, which I think is so good. So they'll say, for example, a colour in English, and then glow will say it in French. And level 3 is all about them just having fun, and Glow will say something like, when I turn green you dance, and stuff like that. So Elliot's been playing with the toy for a little while now, and I think in general he just really likes to touch it. It's a very tactile toy. He likes to hit it quite a lot, but it's really nice because it has different textures on it and things like that. And I've said a few of the things that I love about it, but I do particularly love that it has the French phrases. So as he gets a little bit older, he can be introduced to those as well. And it's just a nice interactive toy that means that I just get 5 minutes maybe to sit and have a cup of tea, and he's got something that he can play with that I know is safe, fun and also educational as well. You're right there. You're right there. You'll have to excuse the dummy today. He's not feeling too well, so he gets very attached to it when he's not feeling very good. But I think this has cheered him up, hasn't it? Ready? What noise does a tiger make? Ah. I think it's because you'll keep kicking this ball. He's getting confused. I've just discovered another reason why I really love this toy. It's very sturdy and durable because this little guy is very sort of hands-on and quite aggressive sometimes. So he needs toys that are very sturdy and good quality because otherwise they just break. Where's he gone? Boo! Boo! Another great feature, I don't think it's meant to have that, but you can play peekaboo with him too. He's had his birthday this year, but I do think this would make a brilliant Christmas or birthday present. He seems to really like it. He is only 14 months old. His attention span only lasts so long, but he does keep coming back, playing with Rocket, and then going off doing something else and coming back, which is a big thumbs up in my book because it means that he likes it enough to want to interact with it again. So as I said in the beginning of the video, thank you so much for SUPRISE for sponsoring this video and for sending out this little present to him. We're really, really grateful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have children of a similar age, from sort of newborn, if you're looking for Christmas present ideas as they get a little bit older, all the way up to 36 months, I think this one would be a really good option. So I'll put any links in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you again in another video very soon. Bye guys.